Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from INFINIX Hot 30 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by tapping on I agree. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree. Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close at the top in white pop-up. And finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of INFINIX. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to INFINIX. After that, you can finally use all of those categories available at the top. And from them, choose all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with only a couple of them. And click on Send as well. In this Here's Some Tip pop-up, you need to tap on Got it. And then select one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. And point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!